Hey guys, it's the Hobbit Master. If you can't hear the cat, she's purring. Okay. Say hello to the Hobbits. Now everybody's freaking out because it's 12. It's a Monday. It's snowing. At least where I am. And I'm sick. Yeah. Badly sick. If you can't already hear the FX music, it's Skyrim. Like the sexiest game in the world. But I'm working on my tablet. New platform. Would you stop yelling at me? I'm talking, okay, kitty? Just stop it! You're yelling! It's okay, fine. It's okay. You just do whatever the cat says. If you haven't already noticed, I have my turtle necklace. Look at it. It's cute. Get that turtle. But I'm hoping for my birthday, my dad will either get me my gun, my 22 for duck hunting, or shotgun, or whatever, same difference. Or I can get my new laptop so I can actually do gameplays and shit. I can have my Hobbit Master game. What are you doing? That old dummy! Look at him. No. Yeah, anyways. I'm hoping I'm gonna get my new laptop. I don't know, kitty better not on this video. Don't be retarded. But if so, I better end my episode. Oh, and my name is Shadow. Look at the fish. But what's new today is, because I'm going to start a new thing, like what's new today, and the new thing today is, I'm pumped because the Seahawks won last night, the Super Bowl. Comment below who you wanted to win, Seahawks or Broncos, but I wanted the Seahawks to win, and I got my disclosure. Seahawks whooped the Broncos' ass! No, don't walk away. Don't walk away. Stop it, those are my earbuds. Okay. She's so cute. Well, anyways, Hobbits. I'll see you in the next one. Oh man, out. Peace.